Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials, brand colors, fonts, and a basic UI kit, then state your goal clearly. Use short, concrete prompts that specify platform, screen count, and accessibility targets so the AI gives usable layouts. Once done, ask for 3 variations and label them A, B, C for quick comparison. Make sure to include user personas and core flows. Don't waste time on generic setup. Start generating wireframes and component lists right away and iterate immediately with focused prompts. You take the AI output and import it into your design tool, then refine components and spacing to match tokens and naming conventions. Use AI to generate microcopy, state definitions, and interaction notes, and ask for variations when something feels off. Once done, prototype key flows and test responsiveness from 320px to 1440px. Make sure to run color contrast checks and keyboard navigation tests. Iterate with targeted prompts. Request only the element that needs change to avoid redoing entire screens. You finalize by exporting assets, generating specs, and creating a clear handoff package with tokens and SVGs. Explain component rules and any exceptions so developers know why decisions were made. If something goes wrong, isolate the problem. Check token mismatches, spacing values, or export settings first. Make sure to ask the AI for a concise bug fix prompt that targets the exact component. This speeds corrections. Finally, run a quick smoke test and confirm behavior across platforms before sign off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.